Alright, welcome to my channel guys, and today we are going to unbox a Google Pixel Watch 3. As you guys can see, it is right here. I just received it and we're going to unbox and take a look at it. And I do have the Google Pixel Watch 2, which is right here, and we're going to compare to this and this, what's the difference, and what are we looking at. So now we're gonna look at the box. So as you guys can see, this is the front of the box. It says Google. You got the watch picture, and then right here it says Fitbit with and then on this side you got a little bit of information. On this side you got, so I got the Google Pixel Watch 3 45mm LTE. So on the back you got some writing on it, and now if we match the boxes, as you guys can see, this is square box like this. That was the 2, and this one is the 3. So they made a really long box. So yep, and you got one tab right here to pull that. So we're gonna peel this tab because somehow this tab is connected to the auto inside box. So we're gonna peel it. There you go. And now we can slide the box out of this sleeve right there. I'm gonna put this right here, and now inside box, as you guys can see, it says Google Pixel Watch 3 45mm LTE. On this side it got the Google G for Google. This side the same thing. And now we're gonna, on the front it got the Google Pixel picture, the band, and then you got this tab right here to pull the second box out of it. So okay, so as you guys can see, this is the watch itself. So as you guys can see, we're gonna put this on the side right now, and we're gonna see what else we got in the box. So there's a tab, second tab, so you can pull it this way, and there's nothing in the box. So now this is, I believe, is the band for the watch. So I like the packaging. It's really soft paper, and we're gonna pick this up. And oops, I dropped it. Give me 1 second. So this is the band. We're gonna put it on the side, and then what else we got in this box? So this is the instruction how to put the band on your watch. As you guys can see, step 1, 2, and 3. Then you got the QR code. And in this box, we got the paperwork, Google Pixel Watch 3, and instruction how to put the belt on, and everything about the watch. And there's more paperwork. Put it right there, and then in this pocket there's nothing else in it, and then right in under it you got the belt. So we're gonna pull this out. So this is one side, and then we're gonna unwrap this. So I believe you just peel off this sticker and you reveal the belt. So basically you got one side right here. Oh, you got the 2 sides. So there's nothing in the box right there. So basically you got 2 of that. Basically this is the, I guess, medium, and this is the large, and then you got one side of this. So this is the belt, and I think for me this is too big. My wrist is kind of like really small, so I'm gonna use these 2. Now we're gonna take out the watch itself. So come on. Wow. Okay, so you just peel the sticker, move the paper inside, and there is your watch. if it come out. So now under the watch, you got the charger, as you guys can see. So it is not a braided cable. It's just a regular USB-C to the watch connector, just like previous one. It got 4 pins right there that watch sit on it. So as you guys can see, right there, it make clicking noise. So as you guys can see, it's really sturdy. I'm shaking it, it's not falling. So that's a plus, as you guys can see right there. So we're gonna put this everything on the side and put this on the side. And now we got the watch out. And now I'm gonna take out my watch 2 and we're gonna compare to this one. So there you go. This is the watch 2. So if we look at the size, that is bulky on the back, as you guys can see right there. That's a big watch. So now I'm gonna take this one out, this back. So as you can see, it is pretty big. So if you set it on the top, right there, it's pretty big. So if we put it like this, so you can see the sides of the 3 on the side. So yeah, and on the 2, let's look at the back. So there's the back. So the 2, you had a connector like this. It had 4 dot and a line. Now the 3, you got the square, like a circle, and you got the pins right there. So it's a big change, big difference. So there you go. This is the back. And then on the side, you got this is the 2. There's a mic, and there's a mic right there on the 3. This is the mic. This right here, this little hole, that's the mic for. And then you got the dial, and then you got the power button. I believe this is the power button. And same thing on the 2. This is the power button right there. So, and there's a speaker on this side, and then you got the speaker right here on the 3. So I'm going to put this one back, and we're going to try to attach the belt. So I do it like this, I believe. So this is my first time. Let's see if I can put the belt on. Oh, nope, it's not on. It felt like it was on, but it's not. Now it is. So as you guys can see, it's on there. Now we're gonna put the second side. There you go. That was easy, actually. It wasn't bad. So there is the watch, and I'm gonna put it on, as you guys can see. So right now I'm wearing the Galaxy Watch Ultra 7. Oh, so let me put this on. And let's see what I look on my wrist. And there you go. So compared to Galaxy Watch Ultra, it kind of look baby, but but still it's a good size, as you guys can see right there. So we're gonna turn this on. Let's press and hold the power button. Where is the, oh, there. So I guess this is the power button. I hope it got juice. So it does have the juice. There is the G, which is Google. So let's see how long it takes to turn on. So yeah, I mean, while we're waiting for this to turn on, I just want to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys don't miss any future videos. I do have a bunch of stuff coming up. I'm gonna be unboxing iPhone, Apple Watch Ultra 3, and everything else. There you go. And yeah, so if you want to watch those unboxing video of the iPhone and you know the Apple Watch and everything else, please subscribe to channel and also smash that bell icon so you get notified when I drop a next video. Now that's been said, I'm gonna set this up and I'm gonna mess with it. I'm gonna use it for a couple days, and there you go. Now it says bring it to close to your phone and pair. So I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna make a separate video pairing to my phone and setting it up, and that video will be coming soon. So meantime, just subscribe and wait for the video. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.